Hello everyone, this is for session 11 assignment where we are building the GLC, the gateway. For our team, which is for group 22, we are looking at local Whisper.cpp where we are looking at sub-millisecond response. This is using the CPU and built-in compute power of the laptops to transcribe an audio and convert into a JSON. That's what is being assigned to us. If I go to the implementation, what you would see is the implementation is being asked to build adapter, which is basically wrapping up the Whisper CLI, which is going to use base GGML model to convert and transcribe. This CLI would generate the JSON based on the audio input. If the audio is 30-second more, we have to activate voice activity detection, which should remove the long silences. And also we have to make sure that if there are inputs which are silent, we don't unnecessarily call the CLI and log up the CI runtime. For that, just want to quickly go through the implementation. First few things to notice is in our implementation, we look at first thing to go through is the audio silent. There is a logic to look through that to detect and results in empty results. We have a mock one to just respond for a mock signal. Then we have a function which is to look at how long is the audio. If it is more than 30 seconds, it's just going to flag use VAD. Then we are asking for a run Whisper CLI command with this argument. And if I go to how we have implemented in wrapper, what you would see that the CLI is being called, right? And we have respective settings being called. We are using VAD built in the CLI, where we are setting the threshold, and we have given the threshold as 0.6 to start with, and that is the implementation. If I go to the test cases which we have recorded to start with, first thing is the test cases which were given. If I just give a run, what you would see is those test cases are passing. Now if I give an actual audio sample and test those out, the JFK audio is something which was given as a standard test case in Whisper CLI. I wanted to show those. It runs sub-millisecond, 300 to 400 millisecond. That is where it generates the text. This is for 10 seconds audio. It took less than 1 second, and total of CPU is this is just to look through the complete curl command. That being passed looks good. The next one we are looking at, if we have a silence audio, what it does, what you would see is that it doesn't call the API and just skips through. The next one to run through, we have two sample cases, which is speeches from American presidents, and we want to see how it performs. If I run through on this, let's see how it performs there. This is for a speech more than 90 milliseconds. Okay, this is coming empty. Okay, I need to generate the complete text. Let me run through this command to generate the audio. Okay, the audio is generated. We are converting those into required format, and then we are just running our command to transcribe, and you would see for that sample how it performs. And this comes really great. For 75 seconds of one, it just took sub-milliseconds and total of 1.2 seconds of curl time. We do have another example. This is from Abraham Lincoln, which we downloaded from internet. We're generating for more than 90 seconds. It generated. Now we are converting into base 64. And now we are calling our function, and that also runs through in some milliseconds. Great. That's complete our assignment video. Thank you.